Hey, this is Greg McIntyre Elder Law. I have been spending a ton of time in our Hendersonville office. I have been just short of living there lately, and that's been something that I've known to be true throughout my career and in building our office or offices, is that it's almost impossible to get something going and to get the results that you want unless you put in the time. You have got to put in the time. You've got to put in the work. There's no shortcut around late nights, working hard, making every call back, taking advantage of every opportunity. And I am really thrilled with this week, and it's almost a light switch, night and day change when you commit 100% and spend the time that it takes and put in the sweat equity just that it takes to plug in to a community, to plug in your business and yourself personally, and just commit 1,000%. So Hendersonville, I've really enjoyed working there. This week has been great. Thank you. And if we can help you, what we do is estate planning and elder law. That's all we do. If you get a speeding ticket, I know a guy. I can refer you. But all we do is help people protect their hard-earned money and property, avoid having to lose everything if you ever need long-term care, and helping get your affairs in order and protect your assets for you and hopefully for generations to come. Give us a call if we can help. 704-259-7040 for Shelby, 704-749-9244 for Charlotte, 828-233-5991 for Hendersonville. And you can also schedule a free consultation. We're offering free consults right now on our website at mcelderlaw.com. That's mcelderlaw.com. Thanks. Have a great